G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're up at Methven, helping set up and then do a bit of a promo video filming thing on the King of Canterbury that's coming up next weekend. So it will be open for spectators, so if you're interested in coming in and watching 4 hours of all-out awesome off-road racing, yeah, I'll leave the details in the description below, a link to all the information you'll need. But yeah, it's up at Methven on the 7th of November.
Correct.
Yes, 7th of November. So hope to see you there. And we're specifically setting up the course to make it spectator friendly. So yeah, we're out here just setting up. We've got Steve and Rick over on the bulldozer. And yeah, this is a bit of a behind the scenes of what goes into it. But anyway, it's probably a long enough intro. We'll just potter around for the morning. And then in the afternoon, we'll, I don't know, drive around the track, show you guys what it's all about. And hopefully do some mucking around with a race truck or something.
Edge, get over the other side. Actually, Steve, got another mission for you on the...
Alright guys, well that's pretty much the whole course driven in the Pajero towing a trailer. So basically the idea of this is that the main track is relatively easy and drivable in a pretty standard vehicle in the dry, and then there's a whole bunch, I think there's like 6 or so deviations of like full on comp, well, winch comp stuff. So if you take those deviations, you gain points. So basically it's risk versus reward as to which deviations you choose to take in the aim of getting more points. But obviously those deviations are going to take more time. You're going to be potentially ground anchoring, winching, all that good stuff. So it's an awesome awesome idea. Anyway, I think they're just fixing the one of the diggers because that was down, blew a seal. And then I think the plan is for Craig and the Hilux, who you guys have seen on the channel in the comp videos before. He's going to do basically a hot lap. He's on a fresh new set of CST Land Dragons 36s, so the truck's looking awesome. Anyway, he's going to do a hot lap and we'll try and get some of it on video. Hot lap time. Matt's been kind enough to let me ride passenger with Craig, so this should be entertaining. Oh, good save! Oh, good save! Far out! Oh. Whoa, guys, I don't know if that's going to show on the camera, but we were right up on 2 wheels. Woo! That was awesome.
Not sure I like the new tyres actually.
New tyres might be a little bit too grippy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Interesting.
Grass is greasy and pretty new though, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Far out. Nice. Change of undies there, mate? No, we good. Continue. 30. Oh, that's an adrenaline rush. Far out. Thanks, Craig.
No worries.
Oh, far out. We were fair flying. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh, guys, I so hope Matt got the two-wheel bit on video. I don't know if he did. I don't know if he was anywhere nearby, but that was proper sketchy. Man, I think I got the shakes a little bit. That was awesome.
Is he hitting over there?
Yeah. Right, well, time to try and get some exterior shots now. Might need to clean the lens, but yeah. We've got a nice wee rolling crest here, which Craig's going to see if he can get a little bit of air under the race truck. Should be cool.
Oh, I thought that was the practice one.
I'll do a fast one next time, alright? I don't know if I really want to go much faster.
No, that's fair.
Do you want one more?
Go on. They're getting smaller every time. That first one was ridiculous. Oh, that was meant to be like a really cool shot of him like chasing us up the hill, but I have a funny feeling that's just going to end up in being a shot of just us absolutely roasting him because, oh dear, he got absolutely smoked. That was that was hilarious. Oops.
It was a wee bit of a rough ride for me, but
Yeah, I bet. Sorry.
I'm used to it.
Oh dear. It was a bit steeper and slipperier than I anticipated. It's dry on top but wetter underneath, and this is on a set of road tyres or all-terrains right now, and yeah, I was worried about getting stuck halfway up and him being behind, so bit entertaining. Apologies, Craig. Anyway, I think that might be us. We'll just cruise back to the pits and probably yak for a bit and go do something else or head home. I don't know.
I've watched it all now. Ready?
Oops.
Want to get some lap testing?
Alright guys, well, what a crazy day. Certainly did not expect to be having quite that much fun. Super enjoyable. Massive thank you to Craig for taking us out and basically just doing dumb stuff in his very expensive truck. Anyway guys, for all you locals, I hope to see you out here next weekend. 7th of November, racing will start probably, I mean, if you turn up by 10, there should be plenty of action going on. Super spectator friendly setup this year, so definitely worth coming along. It's free, so you've got no reason not to come out. Yeah, should be an awesome day. So I'll leave a link in the description below for any further details that you want. But yeah, with that, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Give us a like if you did, drop a comment down below, and yeah, we'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching, we'll see you then.
Good for the outtakes, eh?
Yeah.